Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aradhana and today we're gonna take a look at internet's most famous bookish memes and we're gonna react to that, and you can do that in the comment section as well and tell me which is your favorite bookish meme you have come across ever. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video and react to these bookish memes one by one. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna look on these memes on my laptop and you will see those somewhere here. So let's start with the first one. So here is the first meme that I've selected for this video. It is from Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, and it is, I think this exact line is also there in the book as well. So it goes something like that: when a friend starts raving about a book that you read ages ago, it's saying like ages ago, and you are saying, "Caught on, have you? Took you long enough." Okay, so Harry said that to Ron when he was a little jealous of him for being chosen in the Travisor tournament. This has happened to me not one time, it's a lot of times, because you know, when I was in my masters, when I read any book and some of the other girls, when they read some book, they were like, you know, this and that. It's generally about reading books that people read one or two books and they rave about it as if they are the only people who have read that book. So it feels a little bad also not react the way Harry is reacting, like with so much anger. But I think when somebody raves to you about a book which you have read before them and you love that book, then you feel that, you know, why are you telling this to me? So please, if somebody else has read a book before you and then you are raving about it to them, then it's not a good idea. So keep away from doing that. Let's take a look at the second bookish meme that we have. Is me while placing a book I just bought on my shelf. I'll read you next. Literally all my other books are saying, really? No. Yes, this is like one of the most relatable meme on the internet. I mean, it's not lying per se, but I think this is the most relatable bookish meme, because we buy a lot of books we don't read. Sometimes I have a lot of books on my bookshelf that I have not read. I will read them someday. This is not a lie. And but yeah, this happens a lot of times that we buy books, we don't read them right away, right? I think there is always a time and a state of, you know, mind when you are ready for a particular book. So when you come across a book, when you come across a great deal, you just purchase that book, but it does not mean that you're gonna read that right away. So if this happens to you, this happens to every one of us, so don't worry. I think this is one of the most amazing book memes that we have. So the third bookish meme that we're gonna react to is when you're halfway through a book and you come to a plot twist at 1 a.m. You say that I do not need sleep, I need answers. Wow, I think this is so true, because you know, I remember when I was reading A Thousand Splendid Suns, and it was just, the story was evolving again. It was such a gripping story that I could not leave that book, and I started reading it somewhere in, I think in the on like 4 p.m. or something like that, and I just could not sleep after, you know, like finishing a few chapters, and it was so engrossing. I think it needs a lot of effort on the writers part to make a book which is so enticing to the readers that they are not able to let go of the book at 1 a.m. because sleep is the most important thing, and if a person is ready to lose that for your book, then I think it's a very big achievement for you. Then yeah, I think this is a very good meme, I guess. So let's move on to the fourth meme that we have. So I do not know what is the source of this book. I really have not watched this movie or series or whatever this is. So this is that when someone asked me why I love to read so much, I say that the human world, it's a mess. Yes, this is so true. Human world is a mess and life is a mess in a way. So I think reading is kind of, it becomes an escape to some imaginary world which is different, it's not that it's not a mess. some of them are, but the thing is that we meet these characters, these, in a way, they are real people who inspire us, who makes us think, who just accompany us, and that is why I think reading is such a great thing. And yeah, I love this meme actually. Okay, so the fifth bookish meme that we have is this one. I really have no idea from where I have downloaded this meme, because I downloaded it like a month ago. That's how long I have been planning to make this video. So it says like, when I hear someone say they are going to the bookstore, I say I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, so this is not that relatable to me, but I think people who buy books from bookstores, it must be relatable to you a lot, because I mostly buy my books online, or maybe I mostly buy these books online. I think it's a little bit cheaper as well, because I have gone to bookstores to get books, but I think they are a lot more expensive than the books that we get online. So I prefer that, because I really don't want to waste my money on books which I could, if you can get a good deal, then I don't think so there is any need to buy books from bookstores. But I do like to go in bookstores, maybe like those reading cafes. I really want to get to one. So yeah, I think this is not relatable to me. I think it would be relatable to a lot of you. So let me know in the comment section that where do you like to buy books, from a bookstore or an online store. Okay, let's move on to the next one. It says, it's a long bookish meme. First of all, it says that I'm going to finish the book today. Mom is saying that it's 600 pages and you just bought it, and I'm saying you underestimate my power. Yes, actually yes. Just now I told you that I was not able to keep 1,000 Splendid Suns once I started reading it. So this is so true to me, because I read that book in like 2 days, and I was like, yeah, I'm just going to finish. Sometimes it happens with me, when mostly I'm in a reading slump, I do this thing that, when I to come out of that reading slump, I do this, because you just get a good book and you just say that I have to finish this book by today, no matter what. And you can finish that. I think once it becomes a challenge to you, you just start doing that. So I think, yes, don't underestimate the power of a bookworm. That's what I want to say. So the next bookish meme that we have is like, it's kind of like an ensemble of two bookish memes. It's a mystery bookstore, and then it's written well played, and it's when you finally emerge from reading hours. What year is it? So mystery one is saying well played. Okay, yeah, I get it. So yes, when you start reading a mystery, you sort of go into that word, you start thinking like that. When I was reading Agatha Christie, I just experienced that literally. I mean, it is also I think true for fantasy fiction, because when you start reading Harry Potter or something like that, you also go into a whole different world, and that is so amazing. But it also feels like, years have passed. I mean, you are gonna read like 2 books of Harry Potter, you feel like, maybe 2 years have passed. So yeah, you get that feeling. And then your parents tell you, no, it's the same day, or it's like the same week. So yeah, this is, I think, the mystery and thrillers and these fantasy fictions, this meme is so true for those genres. Next one we have is how I act when I get a new book. I'm going on an adventure. Every book is it's a new world, it's a new adventure, it's something that is gonna teach you some new things. And I think that is why this book, this meme is so accurate. And yes, this is amazing. I think there is a quote by Jhumpa Lahiri that, I'm paraphrasing this, that a book is something that lets you have an adventure without moving your feet. I think that is so true to this meme, and it is so true in general as well. I think all of you must relate to this. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so me walks into a bookstore, me 1 second later, I choose you all. I mean, when you are choosing book from an online store or a bookstore or whatever, or wherever you are, it is so difficult for you not to get a load of book. Because so I went to this book fair a few months ago. I did not vlog it, and there it is so hard to just not get every book that you see. I mean, you have to be so selective. I bought like 2-3 books only because I really didn't want. I was on a buying ban. Okay, I really didn't wanted to spend more on books because I have already a lot of books that I have not read, as I told you earlier. So that is why I really didn't wanted to buy any books. I was like, I will get only 1 or 2 books, but I bought like 3-4 books. So that is it. But yeah, this is, I choose you all. I choose all of these books, no matter how good, how bad they are gonna teach you something. So I choose all of them because it's someday every book is gonna help me in a way or other. So yeah. So again, we have like this classic Sheldon Cooper meme, which is so amazing. I have seen a lot of bookstagrammers repost this meme on their stories or on their feed. So it says that when someone is trying to talk to me when I'm reading a book, you're like, why are you talking to me? You are not allowed to do that. Oh my god, no, just stop. Yes, it's so amazing. I mean, I think there is a Sheldon Cooper in us whenever it comes to reading. So I think this is so true, and it's very relatable, because when you are reading, you just want to be absorbed in reading, like fully absorbed in that book. But when somebody tells you to do something, or like somebody talks to you about anything, you feel like, why the hell are you talking to me? Let me just read this book, let me just finish it, let me just get to these answers that I am finding through this book. So yeah, this is what we want to say to people when we are reading. So please don't disturb us while we are reading. So yeah, let's move on to, I think, the last. Okay, I think I have 2 more left. So here is the next meme that I have, and it's from Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I really do love that show, and if you like that, please comment that down below. So when you stay up too late finishing a book and someone asks you why couldn't have just stopped and finished later, no, we don't do that actually, because some of the books are meant to be read in a flow, and when that flow just breaks, you are just not gonna get in that. So what you say is that I am way too sleep deprived to deal with your negativity right now. So this is Jake Peralta, like classic Jake Peralta line. And yeah, this is so true, because people just ask these weird questions, that why are you reading, that why can't you keep this book, why is it so necessary to read this fiction, and all those kinds of things. This is the most appropriate answer for them, maybe. Yeah, I think when you are sleep deprived, I think I cannot deal with this negativity right now. So yeah, if you like to read in the night, then you are going to be so relatable to Jake Peralta. Okay, so the video is getting really big, so I'm gonna wrap up here, and this is the last meme that I'm gonna react to. So it goes like this: you really should stop buying new books until you finish the ones you have. And me saying that, wish I could but can, well can but won't, should maybe but shouldn't. So this is from The Office, and this is like the classic one-liner from Michael Scott from The Office, and I love this show as well. So And this is, I think, the most perfect answer that we can give to our parents, to our sister, brother, to everybody who tells us that we should not buy books until we finish the ones that we have read. No, I am not gonna say that I'm gonna stop buying books. This is literally me telling my parents that I'm not going to stop buying books. My mother says that, she's like, you buy so many books, do you really like read these books, or you just are collecting books? I'm like, no, I'm not collecting books. I read those books. Sometimes I get a good deal and I just buy books even when I don't need that book. I mean, you don't really need a book when you buy it. You just buy it and then you just, somewhere out of the blue, you just start reading it. Maybe you love it, you'll hate it, but that book is so precious to us. All the books are so precious to us, so I don't think so there is any book that I regret buying. So yes, next time I'm going to use this one liner. It's actually 3 lines. So next time I'm going to use this line whenever my mother starts badgering me about not buying more books. So yeah, that was the last meme. Guys, I hope you all liked this video. So if you liked it, please like, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, because 90% of my watch time comes from the people who have not subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any good bookish memes that you want me to react to in the next part of this video, then you can share that in the DMs of my Instagram. Handle will be in the description box, and I hope to meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.